Hi, this is Eva Greenwald from Eva's Best Travel and Cruises. We're at the volcano called Masaya, and take a look. Isn't this amazing? And this is all natural steam coming from the volcano. Okay, here's the ridge. We're gonna do a 360, and there's actual vultures flying around in this area. This is really quite spectacular. Come with us, Eva's Best Travel and Cruises. When we take you to volcanoes, we take you all around Nicaragua, Costa Rica, all of Latin America. Give us a call, 203-221-3171. Toll free, 888-499-7245. Again, one more look at the steam and the ridge. Inside the crater of the volcano Masaya in Nicaragua. Give us a call. Enjoy.